Good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. Today we are going to read lesson 2, Teeth and Tooth Care. So let's begin. First, we will read this introductory page. There is a very interesting thing written over here. So let us read. This girl is saying, "Hi, Aloka. Can you tell me the name of a mammal that is born with teeth?" You mean mammals? Now this girl is saying, "You mean mammals, the only animals that give birth to babies instead of laying eggs." So they are talking about mammals. All the generally most of the mammals, they do not lay eggs, they give birth to the babies. There is only one exception, except that all the mammals, they give birth to babies. And this Aloka is talking about a special mammal in which babies are born with teeth. And generally babies do not have teeth when they are born, but in this mammal there are teeth. So let us find out which mammal they are talking about. Now this girl is saying, yes, these animals are one of the few venomous mammals too. Venomous means poisonous. So these mammals are poisonous also, of which they are talking. Now this girl says, and they are born with three cusped molars which fall off at a very early age. Cusp means joint molars. Molars are the teeth that are flat and found at the back of our jaw to grind the food. So what happens when these molars fall off at a very early age? They grind their food with the help of horny plates on their jaws. So they chew their food or grind their food with the help of horny plates on their jaws. They do not have molars in the later age, but in the beginning when they are born, they have molars. So this girl is saying, yes, you got it right. It's the duck-billed platypus. So they are talking about a duck-billed platypus animals, which is which is born with the teeth. Okay, so let us see. I have searched a picture for you. I will show you how the duck-billed platypus looks like. You can see this is adult duck-billed platypus. See, its mouth is just like a duck. That is why it is called duck-billed platypus. And this is the baby. You can see the baby of duck-billed platypus, which is born with the teeth. Okay, children. So now let's read the chapter. Now we will talk about humans. In humans, teeth grow twice in life. You all know that you must have milk teeth first and then they must have fallen off and now the permanent teeth have come. So the humans have two sets of teeth. A human baby is born without teeth. Teeth start growing at the age of 5 to 6 months. When the child attains the age of about 3 years, she has a set of total 20 teeth. So the temporary teeth or the milk teeth, this of teeth is known as milk teeth, and they are temporary because they fall off and then the new set of teeth comes. So you can see this is temporary teeth. There are four incisors which are also in adults. One canine is same, but here there are no premolars, only two molars on both sides. So total 20 teeth are there in a temporary teeth or milk teeth. Okay, these are 10 in one jaw and 10 in the other jaw. So there are total 20 teeth. So these are called milk teeth or temporary teeth, and milk teeth fall off at the age of 6 to 7 years. So when we are 6 to 7 years old, our teeth start falling off and then gradually they fall and a new set of teeth take their place. Now we'll read about the permanent teeth which we have when we are adults. A new set of teeth grows to replace the milk teeth. This new set of teeth is permanent and called permanent teeth. Total number of permanent teeth in an adult human is 32. 16 in upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. So this is one jaw. When you open your mouth, this is one jaw, okay, upper jaw, and then there is one lower jaw. So we have total 16 teeth in one jaw and 16 in the other jaw. So total 32 teeth. In this also four incisors, the center teeth, four are incisors, then one canine on both sides. This is very sharp and tearing teeth. Then premolars to this side and to this side. So total four premolars in each jaw. Then three molars. These are grinding teeth at the back which help us to grind our food. These are molars. See, they are flat like this and they are broader also to grind our grind our food properly. So these are called molars. Now we will revise once again what we have read just now. Two sets of teeth we have in humans: temporary teeth or milk teeth, and the other set is known as permanent teeth. In temporary, there are 20 teeth at the age of 3 years, and these fall off at the age of 6 to 7 years. When you are 3 years old, you have 20 teeth in total, and then at the age of 6 to 7 years, they start falling off. And in permanent teeth, there are total 32 teeth which you have till when you become an adult. Okay. Now, functions of teeth. Teeth help us to bite and chew food. So the work of the teeth is to bite. First we bite the food, then we chew it. They help in speaking clearly. If you don't have teeth, you must have seen old people when their teeth fall off, then what happens? They are unable to speak clearly. So teeth also help us in speaking clearly. They give shape to our face. Clean teeth make our smile beautiful. If your teeth are clean and sparkling white, then your smile looks beautiful. So they also give shape and they also make our face beautiful. Now there are four types of teeth already we have seen. Now we will read about them. Permanent teeth are of four types. They are incisors or cutting teeth, which were in the center, four teeth. These are chisel shaped. Chisel, you know, छेनी होती है ना जिससे कोई भी चीज को काटते हैं, या देखा होगा मार्बल की स्टैच्यूज बनाते समय दे हाउ द स्कल्पटर cuts the marble with the help of a cheni or chisel. So that is called chisel. So these incisors are just like chisel shaped and have sharp cutting edges. ऊपर से एकदम cheni की तरह होते हैं and sharp होते हैं so that we are able to bite our food. Four front teeth in each jaw are incisors. They are used to bite our food. You must have seen, especially in rabbits, that two incisors are out and they are very, very sharp, and how they bite the grass with the help of those two sharp incisors. So, in the same way, humans have four incisors in front and they are very, very sharp. Then, canines or tearing teeth, they are dagger shaped. Dagger कहते हैं खंजर को. Dagger means एक तरह का curved चाकू होता है, that is called dagger, and these canines are just like dagger. They are very sharp and pointed. These are used to tear the food. You can look into the mirror and see after incisors there are two pointed teeth, and especially in dogs or carnivorous animals you must have seen two teeth coming out from both sides. They are canines and they are very, very sharp, and they are two in number in each jaw and present on either side of the incisors, and they are used for tearing the food. That is why carnivorous animals have very, very well developed canines, because they have to tear the raw flesh. That is why they have the canines very developed. Then premolars or crushing teeth. Now after biting and tearing the food, we have to crush it. So premolars are broad, flat and strong teeth. These are there are four premolars in each jaw. They are present on either side of the canines in each jaw. They help to crush the food. So they are helping us in crushing the food. Then molars or grinding teeth are just at the back and they are very, very broad. They are broader than premolars and they have broad upper surface to grind food. There are six molars in each jaw, three this side and three other side. So six in each jaw, that means total 12 molars we have, six in upper jaw and six in lower jaw. So upper jaw में four incisors, two canines, four premolars and six molars. So total 16. And in lower jaw also four incisors, two canines, four premolars teeth and six molars. So total 16. And when we add both, we get 32. Okay, children. So we have 32 teeth in total. Now I have made a summary of what we have read just now so that it will be easier for you to learn. Types of teeth. There are four types. So you have to remember, incisors or cutting teeth are chisel shaped. Canines or tearing teeth are dagger shaped. Premolars or crushing are broad and flat. And molars or grinding teeth are broader than premolars. So total number of teeth in adult is 32. Number of teeth in each jaw is 16. And when we say tooth, that means one teeth. And when we talk about many, then we say teeth, that is plural. Okay, and the diagram is here. You can see yellow color incisors, then one canine blue color, then 2 premolars orange colored and green, and 3 molars of green color. Now next is this activity given in your book. Now children, there is one printing mistake in this. You can see 4 is written in your books already printed. This is wrong because they are talking about number of teeth in each jaw, and they have written 4 canines. In each jaw there are only 2 canines. So you will write 2. You cut this 4 and write only 2. We are talking about only in one jaw. So you have to write the number of incisors in one jaw 4, canines 2, premolars 4 and molars 6. And we have to write the function. Incisors are used to bite food, canines to tear the food, then premolars to crush food and molars to grind food. So please fill this in your book and learn it. Okay, and cut this 4. This is wrong. Now the next page you will see the structure of a tooth. So we will read about the structure. Structure is how the tooth is made from outside and inside. So from outside, when you see the teeth, there are 3 parts. The teeth is divided into 3 parts. The upper part, this is called crown. Then the neck portion, this center portion, you can see this is called neck. And then the lower portion which goes inside our jaw, that is called root. Okay, this we cannot see outside. Crown and neck portion is visible in the mouth when you see. And then from inside when we see the tooth, then we will see this enamel. The outer portion is enamel. Then we will see this second layer is dentine, then pulp, and then this is the jaw or gum. Okay, and the root of the tooth is going from inside and joining the other nerves here. Okay, so let us read about it. A tooth is embedded in a socket of the jawbone. It has 3 parts. The uppermost part is called crown, the middle part is called neck, the lower part is called root. This is the root part which goes inside the jaw. The outer white part of the tooth is enamel. So I told you this portion is enamel, and it is the hardest part in our body. If this is a GK question also, that which is the hardest part in our body, so you have to write that enamel. Then beneath the enamel lies the main part of the tooth called dentine. So this creamish colored layer is dentine. Then dentine surrounds the pulp which lies in the center of the tooth. Now this is the pulpy portion, soft portion inside, which lies under the dentine. The pulp is made of soft tissues and consists of blood vessels and nerves. So all these blood vessels and nerves are found here. And you know, when the bacteria attacks our teeth and there is a hole, that is why that we have a pain, because then these nerves are open because of the hole in the tooth, and then we feel very strong pain when water or something goes inside the tooth and touches these nerves. So that is why we have toothache when our teeth is eaten by a bacteria. So now you can see the structure of a tooth. You can see here also how the tooth looks from inside when it is embedded in the jaw. This again is the clear diagram. You can see and understand it. Okay, that this is same as that one, but it was a little clear, so I have put it here, and you can understand that how this portion is seen. See, this is inside the jaw. See this root portion, when we see from inside, cut it, then you see this portion which is shown over here. Okay. Okay, here fun to learn is given in your book. So let us read. A dog has 42 teeth, a cat has 30 teeth, and the maximum number of teeth in mammals are present in horses. So you must know that horse is the mammal which has the maximum number of teeth, that is 44. And you have to learn this. Wisdom teeth is important. In men or humans, the third and final set of molars appear usually at the age of 18 to 20 years when they become adults. These 2 teeth are called wisdom teeth. So the last set of molars which come out at the age of 18, that is called wisdom teeth. Okay, children. So read this much from your books. Okay, and see the video 2 times. So see you in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.